Good morning students, welcome to the SST class. Today we see the new topic in civics unit 1 understanding diversity. Now we see about one picture. In this picture describe about different human hands with joined other hands. See this picture, they have a different human being hands. So these hands and all joined with others hand means it commonly called as unity. This hand has different kind of colors, but when you join from the other hands means it give for the great strength. It's like a same one. Our India is our multiculturalism and multi-religionism country. For example, we see about the different kinds of festivals, different kinds of religions. For example, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and most of the peoples and all used different kinds of food items to take their state, but commonly it's called as India. Same one for the understanding diversity. Diversity means in Tamil we said for Panmugathanmai. So in this lesson also we see about different kinds of culture and different kinds of festivals and how the languages and all enter into India. We will see detail in this lesson. So what is the title of the lesson? Understanding diversity. Understanding diversity. In India, people speak different languages, eat different kinds of food, celebrate their own festival and practice a culture different from one another. In India, people who live in a different part of our country differ in their ways of life. See the first point, we already know. So India is a multiculturalism country. So people speak different languages and eat different kinds of food and celebrate their festivals. For example, for Tamil Nadu means for Pongal is for famous. From Kerala, Karnataka, they will famous for their state festival. So India is a multiculturalism country. Second point, in India, people who live in a different parts of our country different in their ways of life. So their lifestyle also different. In Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, so in each and every states we use their own style, but it does not follow from the other style. So our religions is must. Third point, these differences make us unique as Indian. So we use it from different languages, different cultures, but we commonly called as Indian. That means India. So the unique means so different kinds of people, different kinds of states we followed, but everything will join means at the end we finished with Indians. Fourth point, we come from different backgrounds, belongs to different cultures, worship in different ways, yet we live together. This is known as diversity. See the first point, we see about the different languages, different food items, different cultures. Second point, we use it from the different parts of our country. At last we join us called as Indian. See the fourth point, we come from different backgrounds. At the end this is called as diversity. And next one, diversity in India, we already know. We use it from the different kinds of religions and use it from different kinds of food items, and wear the dresses also different. So in this picture is example for diversity in India. Next one, diversity in India. India is a home to civilization that is 5,000 years old. So our civilization is 5,000 years old. Second point, different groups of people from different parts of the world were attracted towards India over the year because of its wealth. Third point, the Dravidians, Negroes, Aryans, Alphins and Mongolids became part of the modern Indian race. So now and all we changed from modern India, but in before that they had different kinds of cultures and different kinds of languages also used. See the first point, our India civilization is 5,000 years old, and second one, we attracted towards. Third point, Dravidians, Aryans, Mongolids became for the modern Indian race. So everything will change after they become from the modern India. And next, types of diversities. We already know what is meant by diversity. Now we see about the different types of diversities. First one, landforms and lifestyles diversity. Second one, social diversity. Third one, religious diversity. Fourth one, linguistic diversity. Fifth one, cultural diversity. We know for the landform. So landform also different from one place to another place. Second one, social, how the humans and all lived at the present society. That one also different from one place to other place. Third one, religious. We already know they have many more religious in our country. So each and every religious give importance to their rights. Fourth one, linguistic diversities. And fifth one, cultural diversities. First, we see about landform and lifestyle diversity. A continent is a very large area of land with various physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and seas, and various type of weather patterns. India has all of them. So India is known as subcontinent. We already know for the landform. So landform like a very different places. For example, mountains, plateaus, rivers, seas. So these and all will be different from one place to other place, and also for the weather also. But it commonly called as India is known as subcontinent. Landform and lifestyle diversity. And before that we saw, so these pictures will be portrayed from different types of places. So here given from mountains, deserts, islands, delta, volcanoes, plains. So everything will be different from one place to another place. Landform and lifestyle diversity. In mountainous region, rearing of animals is undertaken. Hilly landscapes are supported by favorable climatic condition for the cultivation of coffee and tea. Third one, diversity in landforms also impact the flora and fauna of a region. Fourth one, food, clothing, occupation and livelihood of the people is closely connected with the region natural surrounding and climates. See the first point. So mountain means what happened, we'll see about that animals. So rearing of animals, that one based on the mountain. And then for hills, so hill station means what for the landscape, they used from the cultivation of coffee and tea. So mountain means for cattle and then animals. And second one, hill place means we cultivate of coffee and tea. Third one, for landform also impact the flora and fauna of a region. And fourth one, food, clothing, occupations. So these also connected from one region to another region. It commonly connected for the region natural surrounding the climate. Next, social diversity. So social diversity means what? They have the different kinds of cultures we used in our society. See the first point. A community is a place where people live together with common interest or heritage. Our community is made up of peasants, laborers, artisans, parents, teachers, students and many others. Third point, for a comfortable livelihood, communities depend on each other. So society means we will see about the different kinds of people. At the present society, they have different types of occupation, like from teachers, doctor, engineer, politician. So each and every people we join with one another, right? Here also like a same one. A community is a place where people live together with a common interest or heritage. See the second point, our community means they have different types of occupations. So each and every occupation will be joined or intricate to connect with other communities. That means other occupations. For comfortable livelihood, communities also depend on each others. Thank you, students.